Welcome to another G-Thentic review. Today we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter, otherwise called the AC filter, in the 2014 Subaru Impreza. It's a pretty straightforward process that can greatly improve the air quality inside your vehicle. So let's get started. The cabin air filter in a 2014 Subaru Impreza is responsible for filtering the air that enters the passenger compartment, ensuring it's clean and free from dust, pollen, and other contaminants. Over time, it can become clogged and less effective, so it's essential to replace it regularly. To access the cabin air filter, we need to remove the glove compartment. Start by opening the glove compartment and emptying its contents. Next, locate the stopper arm on the right side of the glove compartment. Gently squeeze the sides of the stopper arm to release it, allowing the glove compartment to swing. To fully release the glove compartment, you'll want to squeeze on both sides so that you can free the two little tabs that hold it in place at each end. Now that the glove compartment is out of the way, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover that protects the cabin air filter. To remove, you'll need to press the tabs on both sides simultaneously and lift it up. With the cover removed, you can now access the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to inspect it and compare it to the new filter to see the difference. If you notice that the old filter is dirty, clogged, or damaged, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now take the new cabin air filter and carefully insert it into the filter housing, making sure it aligns properly. Once the new filter is securely in place, it's time to put everything back together. Start by reattaching the rectangular plastic cover. Ensure it snaps into place on both sides. Now lift the glove compartment back up. Ensure the stopper arm engages properly. And lastly, don't forget to refill your glove compartment with your personal belongings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the cabin air filter in the 2014 Subaru Impreza. Enjoy the fresh, clean air inside your car. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.